Hello everyone, how are you all? Today I am going to explain diagram and definitions of every 4 lessons and MCQs also. So first lesson diagram you can see fish and nocturnal animals. Now definitions vertebrates and invertebrates. So vertebrates animals with backbone are called vertebrates. Backbone or spinal cord you can say. So examples are human, monkeys and birds. Invertebrates animals which do not have backbone or spinal cord are called invertebrates. Examples are insects, ants, mosquitoes. So what are invertebrates? Animals without backbone are called invertebrates. So insects come in category of invertebrates. Now lesson number 2. So definitions are of pasteurization and refrigerating. Your diagram is not from lesson number 2. So what is pasteurization? It is a process in which milk heated to kill pathogens followed by rapid cooling. So this is called pasteurization. What is refrigerating? In this method, food keep at low temperature for short-term preservation. If we want to preserve food for short time, so we will keep food in refrigeration. So it is called refrigerating process. Next one, your lesson number 3. So in lesson number 3, diagram of flower and seed. Structure of a seed or parts of a seed. Or diagram, you can say every part I have drawn. Anther, pollen, filaments, petals, sepals. Green part of the flower is called sepals. Ovary, inside the ovary ovules are present. And these are filament, style, stigma. So upside is stigma, style, ovary. Inside the ovary ovules are present. It is pedicel. And you can see the diagram of seed, embryo, cotyledons, seed coat, endosperm and micropyle. So this is a small hole that is called micropyle. So structure of flower and seed, do practice of both the diagram. Now what is pollination? So pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from the anther to the stigma of a flower. What is pollination? Pollination is the transfer of pollen grains from anther to the stigma of a flower is called pollination. What is germination? The process of growth of a seed into a new plant is known as germination. So what is germination? The process of growth of a seed into a new plant is known as germination. Now definitions of lesson number 4 and diagram also. So diagram in this lesson is budding in hydra. What is a diagram? Budding in hydra. So we will draw bud. As we have draw this diagram, then we will show bud. Then after this word will become, this word bud will grow and dashed from the parent plant. And these are tentacles. Now definitions. Fragmentation. The body of parent break down into fragments and each piece can grow into new offspring. What is fragmentation? The body of the parent break down into fragments, and each piece can grow into new offspring. Example, planaria is the example of fragmentation. Body of parent break down into many parts, and each part can grow into a new offspring. So this happened in planaria. And what is regeneration? A piece of the body of the parent gets dashed and later develops into a new individual. Example, starfish. If any corner of a starfish break, so every part, so that corner can grow into the new animal. So we can say these are the definitions of lesson 1, 2, 3 and 4. And I have explained definitions of lesson 4 also. I have shown you diagram of lesson 4 also. Now what you will do, your some question answers are left, so I will do question answers in PDF and I will send you. And now I am revising MCQs of all 4 lessons. Thank you very much.